What's up guys, are you trying to get more profits out of your trade? If yes, then this video is for you. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so this is the landing page of FlareGain guys. Link will be in the description of the video. This is by far one of the most complete trading platforms that I have ever seen in the web. And let me go ahead and show you this real quick. You will see that you have currencies, you have stocks, you have commodities, you have indices, you have crypto, ETF, cannabis, TV, news, anything and everything that involves trading, it's available in FlareGain. Now, I would still strongly suggest that you do your own research, guys. That way you know if this is the platform that will suit your trading needs. And as it says there, our platform stands out by offering unrestricted access to the client's trading account, whether you are using a computer, a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone. You will experience seamless functionality across all listed devices. And just like what it shows here in their screen, guys, what's good about this one, guys, is again, you don't need to switch platforms. You don't need to switch, like you have to go to Binance, you have to go to certain central exchange for you to do your crypto trading, you have to go to another platform for you to do your stocks trading and your fiat currencies on another platform. You don't need to do that anymore if you are going to check out FlareGain and if you're going to be using this platform. Now, you have also all the reasons here. Okay, you have upgrade your trading skills. This is what I was telling you about in the intro of the video, guys. If you are trying to improve or trying to get as much profits from your trades, so trading skills are a key aspect that could lead you to success and financial independence. So if this is your first trading experience, guys, they can help you out with hooking you up or introducing you to a trading pro. The platform is also open to everyone, where you could be someone that already knows something about trading, but you would also trying to get some more experience and add that up to your credentials or to your portfolio. This is something that you could also capitalize on. Professional trading assistants, they treat every person who joins the platform as more than just a client, and they provide comprehensive assistance throughout your journey in trading with their platform. So this is something that is really, really good, especially for those that are still getting started and trying to familiarize with how to invest, how to trade, how to buy, how to sell, and all those good things about trading as a whole. Pro help with accounts, you have flexible fundings as well, you have secure environment. They have created a safe and secure environment for the trading journey, and that includes the use of modern encryption methods and other advanced security protocols. So you can go ahead and check that one out as well. So investing proficiency, you have comprehensive client assistance there, and then trade updates and useful insights, and as well as advanced tools for your success. So this is basically a one-stop trading platform that you could capitalize and use. And no need to go out and find somebody else or something else that would also, add up more complications to your trading experience. So also, I would like to show you guys that the account types that they have. So they have the standard, which covers these ones. They also have the bronze. Okay, they have the silver. It covers all those bulleted points right there. The gold, the platinum, the pro, and the VIP, guys. So the pro, utilize pro level leverage trading, premium trading bonus, premium personal financial strategy plan. You have premium platform financing, signals for trading with daily updates. That is critical, guys, because if you are looking at capitalizing and making sure you take advantage of the movements of the market, you always have to rely on also signals from other traders. That way you don't miss out on anything. Especially this platform, guys, you could use using your mobile phone, your tablet. So anywhere and everywhere you are, you could execute your trade. So you have a lot more information out there. All right, so just like what I showed you earlier, guys, you have cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, stocks, currencies. these are all right here. All right, it's a one-stop shop. You could execute all of those with just a single platform. And of course, guys, stay until the end screen videos. I'm sure that those videos will definitely help you out, especially if you're a beginner. Even if you are an experienced trader already, you can go ahead and check out the channel for those videos. And if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.